Completion late April. New construction home located on the bay side of Ocean View Avenue West / an ally to the extended driveway and rear load garage. Home is less than 500 feet to 15th Bay Beach access. Everything you would want in this beautiful coastal living home: open floor plan family room west / gas fireplace, upgraded granite countertops in the kitchen and all bath vanities, upgraded all wood cabinets west / soft close drawers and doors, stainless steel appliances, including gas stove, microwave and dishwasher, generous size bedrooms, primary bedroom west / 2 walk-in closets and ensuite with beautifully tiled shower west / glass enclosure, upstairs laundry room, fans in all bedrooms and family room, large front porch with a vinyl fenced in front yard and a large deck in the rear for entertaining. Outside shower for those sandy beach days. Exterior generate plug. 1-year builder warranty and 10-year structural warranty. Near naval bases, marinas, grocery store, dining and brewery. Great location.